It looks like this is the chain right here. Ooh. Pull this thing out. Nicely wrapped. Okay. We got our slider. All right. Looks like it's a genuine slider. It has a KTM branding right here. Small sprocket is here. This is for the front. Can't quite get the big one to do some maneuvering here to get this bad boy out. Should be online in a bit. The AC is blowing, but it's still frigid hot out here in CDO. Summer is here, baby. We got a slider from KTM, the chain slider. We got the front sprocket, the rear sprocket, and then we got a chain right here. Screen for our Duke 390 just got here as well. And this is for the version 2. Last week, we got the wrong one, the version 1. And check this out. So the version 2 is much taller than the version 1. All right, so the windscreen has been installed already. Okay. This is how it looks over here. Shout out to my friend Becky. He helped me install the windscreen. All right. So we've got everything installed already. New chain right here. New rear sprocket and front sprocket. And we also put a slider